Welcome to our quick tour on how to set up an SMS campaign. Before launching your campaign, several key components need to be in place. Start by creating an SMS project with EnableX. For any commercial SMSs being sent in India, ensure your entity, sender ID, and template are registered under DLT. If you're sending SMS in the US, Canada, or Malaysia, you'll need to purchase a long code. For sending bulk messages, consider buying a short code to achieve higher A2P throughput. We've linked detailed guides for all these processes with this video for your convenience. If you encounter any difficulties, please contact us at salesevcloudx.com. We're here to help you. Now that we've covered the initial dashboard, and click on Create Campaign. Provide your campaign name. Select SMS direction of your campaign. Select SMS type you want to send. Select the country of operation. Here you can choose from single country or global. Select the sender type according to your country of operation. Here I choose sender ID as my country of operation is India. Select your sender ID. If you do not have one, create one by clicking New Sender ID. Here provide your DLT approved sender ID. Description for your request and upload a screenshot of your DLT approved sender ID form. And submit it. Our admin will review your request and approve it. Provide a webhook URL to get your notification posted. Select your auth type. Provide a username and password. Now click Continue. Your campaign has created successfully. Now either you can go back to your campaign list or schedule your campaign. Click on Schedule a Job. Select a pre-approved SMS template. If you don't have one yet, you can create it easily. Go to Resources, then click on New Template Request. In the form, select your country of operation. If you're operating in India, you will need to provide your sender ID and DLT template ID. Enter the template title, select template type, and enter the SMS body. Once you submit your template request, an admin will review and approve it. Let's go back to our campaign. Upload the recipient list in the specified format and click Continue. Here, you can define any variables that were not included in the CSV file you uploaded. Next, select whether the variable's value is text or a URL. If it is text, simply enter the value. If it is a URL, enter the web address. You can enable URL shortening to keep your SMS concise and within character limits. Additionally, consider enabling link tracking to monitor how often the link is opened. Now, last step of your campaign, select whether you want to send your campaign now or schedule it for later. If scheduling, set the desired date and time, then submit. Your campaign is now ready. For more information, visit us at www.enablex.io. Thank you for watching.